We're here with Julien Pelchat from Verity Audio, and he's going to explain to us a little bit about the Monsalvat system.
Yes, the Monsalvat system is actually it's our flagship system. We've been working on it since more than 10 years. So we've put all of our knowledge in that thing. It's actually a big system where you have main towers with woofer towers in the corner of the room. The idea is on the loudspeaker, as you go lower in frequency, the cone displacement increases, and so the distortion increases as well. We wanted to have a very large emitting surface so that the cone do not move and the distortion remains very low. So we can have a very wide bandwidth speaker with a very low level of distortion. So the woofer are actually installed in the corner of the room, facing the corner of the room, and they use the two walls, the adjacent wall, as an infinite horns.
Oh wow.
So and the
Four
system,
modules, right?
4 modules per channel. We can sell it also with only 2 modules, but most of that is the full system is 4 modules. And yeah, so on the main tower you have like 4 10 inches lower mid-range driver, and then the 6.5 inches mid-range. All drivers are custom designed. The ribbon tweeter we use is our own design. We make it in-house. So the bandwidth of the speaker is 10 hertz to 100 kilohertz.
Wow.
With a sensitivity of 99 dB. But of course, such a system needed to be multi-amplified. In that case, we need 6 channels of amplification. Make 1 channel for the woofer, 1 channel for the lower mid-range, and 1 for the mid-highs. And in order to achieve that, we needed a special processor. At the beginning of the R&D, we tried some pro sound kind of thing, you know, some of the best they can find, but they were not at all to the level of what we wanted. So we designed our own, so that really extended the research and development process. Actually, the unit is supplied, the system is supplied with what we call the Pro 6, and this is basically a preamplifier DAC. It has analog and digital input on it, and like, for example, if you connect something analog, it's converted into 32-bit 384 kilohertz.
Oh, really?
There's 8 analog to digital converter per channel. All the data stream is sent to a big FPGA where the crossover slope and the digital delay is adjusted between the main tower and the woofer tower. And the output of the FPGA goes to, of course, the 6 resulting channel. Each channel has 8 DAC in parallel, 32-bit 384, so that's a large number of DAC inside. And that output goes to the power amplifier. The power amplifier that we're using, it's our own amplifier also.
From Verity as well.
From Verity.
Yeah.
And each of the amp is actually, because we want to have identical amplifier for each channel, even the woofer, you know, it's no class D in there, it's class AB, but it's a very big power amp weighing 180 pounds, but it's only 60 watts per channel. So instead of increasing the voltage, instead of increasing the voltage rate to get a lot of watt at the output, you know, we kept it lower. We have a higher current, but what we worked on is so that the power supply can transfer the energy very quickly as possible to the output device and recharge itself very quickly. So all the parts are very special parts inside that can allow us that.
Yeah.
And the amp is a 32 dB gain, so it's very alive, very dynamic. We've compared it with 500 watts amplifier, and it's even more dynamic.
Wow.
So, well, you've heard that.
Yeah,
so.
No, that was one of the things that stood out.
Yeah.
How dynamic it was,
Yeah.
and how you guys managed to just fill the room. You guys probably have one of the biggest rooms here, and
Yeah, no problem. We've
Not a
much
problem,
larger
yeah.
room than that.
And those quad modules really help.
Oh yeah,
With the
they
low end
work
on
great.
that.
They work great.
this was a recent release,
This is the world premiere.
world
here.
premiere. Wow.
Absolutely.
Is it available at local?
It is available
dealers? We
right
should-
now. We've already sold one set because it's a very expensive system, as you
course.
can imagine. The system in the room, including turntables and cables, is over $1 million.
Wow.
Okay. And you mentioned that this might be the last time it's displayed.
Well,
in the
it's a
US?
very big thing to move, so we are doing this show here. It is possible because our Hong Kong, China distributor would like to demo it also. So we will see with him in the upcoming months what he's going to do with that. But he has planned also to present
Yeah.
it somewhere.
Okay.
You can tell by all the crates here
I know.
how much hardware you guys are moving.
Yeah. And the cabling looks pretty interesting. What kind of cabling?
These are signal projects from Greece.
Okay, from Greece. Okay, same project. Okay. And what's the story behind their cables?
That honestly I don't know because I'm just with Verity Audio. This
Okay.
is cable that has been supplied with our American distributor,
Okay.
Mr. Paul Manos, and Life Service.
Okay. They're gorgeous looking cables.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
They're very good. We've used that for many years with other of our product as well, and I really love them. They're great.
Okay.
Any last bits you want to say about Verity Audio? Let people know something maybe.
Well, Verity
they don't
Audio
know.
as a company has been established in 1995, so we're already over 20 years old. We have presently, I don't even remember the exact number of model. We have probably 6 or 7 model
Okay.
of speaker, you know, ranging from retail price 6,500 up to this big Monsalvat system.
Okay. And so we're gonna go back in and just give it a proper listen.
Yeah.
What kind of source are you using right now? Just.
Right now we have 2 sources. We have a Melco music server that's USB connected to our Pro 6
Okay.
with the USB input on the Pro 6.
Okay.
And we have an analog source which is the TW Acoustic Black Knight turntable
Okay.
with TW tone arm, orthophone phono cartridge. The stereo cartridge is the orthophone Century, and the phono stage is also from TW.
Great.
From Germany.
Okay. Awesome. Right.
Thank you again.
Thank you so much
You're
for your
welcome.
time.
Yeah, that's enough.